Hey everyone! It has been a year since my last video on Beam, and now my whale activity scanner has detected that whales have started not just buying this token, but buying in very, very big numbers. If we go back just 1 month, we find 33 whales have been buying at an average of $93,000 each. However, things really ramped up this week, with more whales buying at a much larger average purchase size of $600,000 each. So, the average whale is purchasing 6 times more this week than they have been over the past month. Let us not miss the new Beam nodes available as of this week, which is a great development from the project, and may well be the factor driving this intense market activity. Let's have a closer look at the on-chain data to see who is buying and selling. First up, Beam is currently trading at 29 cents. Its market cap is $1.5 billion. Let's look at the token distribution within the market. As we can see, a large portion of the supply is locked within smart contracts such as token lockers. What is interesting is the merit circle DAO holds about 5%. It seems a bit low, so let's check if that number is accurate. Yes, that is accurate. The rest of the top holders are central exchanges, some individual wallets. Uniswap holds about 0.5%. So, Beam can be bought across a lot of central exchanges. Next, let's check out what these top holders, those who can actually participate in the market, have been doing. Based on the amount of purple we can see at the bottom of this chart, there is very little selling. If we look at the numbers, they tell the same story. We can see that the bulk of selling is through central exchanges, but the current holdings of the central exchanges is still large. This is indicative of a strong bullish market sentiment towards Beam. Now let's look at how people have been trading the Beam token. Over the past week, 95% of market participants have been holding, with about 3% accumulating. This number does not include dormant wallets or smart contracts, but active market participants across central exchanges and DEXs. Now let's see how this compares to what people were doing a month ago. We can see a bit more accumulation, around 10%, while 86% were holding. This ties in well with what my whale activity scanner picked up, that whales have been heavily buying this token over the last month. The shift that we see in market participant activity is that more active holders are holding, and that selling activity is far less than buying and holding. Again, this indicates a bullish sentiment towards Beam. Finally, let's look at what the top traders have been doing over the past 2 months. We are not talking about top holders here, but high-volume traders. Let's see at which price they have recently bought, as this will tell us whether they are about to sell anytime soon, or they are going to hold for a while until they become profitable. Hey guys, if you are liking this analysis, then please give it a like, subscribe, and let me know your comments below. As a beginner channel, this really helps us out. Thanks guys. Well, the good news for Beam holders is that the price is not far off the major top traders' average purchase prices. The top trader currently holds about $51 million worth of Beam tokens, but their average purchase price is only 2.8 cents, so very close to the current price. They have made a nice profit of $2 million though. Check out trader rank 65. Their average purchase price is only 0.2 cents. Their holdings valuation increased by $34,000, which is 1,200% increase from their initial holdings. This could be one of the very early buyers, as their average buy price is so low. They might have direct cost averaged over time. It is still pretty impressive, given that the amount of profit is responsible for $34,000 out of the $37,000 worth they hold. If you liked this analysis, check out my video on what other tokens my whale scanner has detected. It accurately picked up the increase in Beam activity, so feel free to check it out.